Hello students, welcome to RP Education Class App. Hope you all are doing good. So let's start about today's topic. From today I will start a new topic, that is Unit 6 of Paper 2 of UGC NET Management. There are mainly two broad categories, general marketing and strategic management. So under the basic marketing, today I will cover nature and scope of marketing, needs, wants and demands, different marketing concept, and lastly, by describing more about customer value and satisfaction, I will end this lecture. So, what is marketing? Marketing is about identifying and meeting human and social needs. It is the activity set of institutions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at a large. So, there are various nature of marketing. First one is marketing is an economic function. Marketing embraces all the business activities involved in getting goods and services from the hands of producers into the hands of final consumers. The business steps through which goods progress on their way to final consumer is the concern of marketing. Next nature of marketing is a legal process by which ownership transfers. In the process of marketing, the ownership of goods transfers from seller to the purchaser or from producer to the end user. Next is marketing is a system of interacting business activities. Marketing is that process through which a business enterprise, institution or organization interacts with the customer and stakeholders with the objective to earn profit, satisfy customers and manage relationship. It is the performance of business activities that direct the flow of goods and services from producer to consumer or user. Next is marketing is a managerial function. According to managerial or system approach, marketing is the combination of activities designed to produce profit through ascertaining, creating, stimulating, and satisfying the needs or wants of the selected segment of the market. Next is marketing is a social process. Marketing is the delivery of a standard of living to society. The societal marketing performs three essential functions. First one is knowing and understanding the consumer's changing needs and wants, efficiency and effectively managing the supply and demand of products and services, and efficient provision of distribution and payment processing system. So these are the social process of marketing. Also, there are different scope of marketing. Under the scope of marketing, first one is study of consumer wants and needs. Goods are produced to satisfy consumer needs. Therefore, study is done to identify consumer needs and wants. These needs and wants motivates consumer to purchase. Next scope is study of consumer behavior. Marketers perform study of consumer behavior. Analysis of buying behavior helps marketer in market segment and targeting. Next one is production planning and development. Product planning and development starts with the generation of product idea and ends with the product development and commercialization. Product planning includes everything from branding and packaging to product line expansion and contraction. Fourth scope is pricing policies. The marketer has to determine pricing policies for their products. Pricing policies differ from product to product. It depends on the level of competition, product life cycle, marketing goals, and objectives. Fifth one is distribution. Study of distribution channel is important in marketing. For maximum sales and profit, goods are required to be distributed to the maximum consumers at minimum cost. Next scope of marketing is promotion. Promotion includes personal selling, sales promotion and advertising. Right promotion mix is crucial in accomplishment of marketing goals. Next one is consumer satisfaction. The product or service offered must satisfy consumer. Consumer satisfaction is the major objective of marketing. Next is marketing control. Marketing audit is done to control the marketing activities. So marketing control also a scope in marketing. Next topic is marketed entities. Before going into marketed entities, at first you should have the clear idea about who is marketer. A marketer is someone who seeks a response attention, a purchase, a vote, a donation from another party who is called the prospect. If both the two parties, that marketer and prospects, are seeking to sell something in each other, we call them both marketers. Marketers market mainly 10 types of entities. First one is goods that constitute the bulk of most countries' production and marketing efforts, and services that include work of airlines, hotels, car rental firms, etc. Also events like any game or concert, any persons such as politicians, musicians, or maybe any ideas like consulting agencies. To know more about different marketing entities, kindly go through the RP education notes. The successful marketer will try to understand the target market's needs, wants, and demands. So, what is needs? Needs describe the basic human requirements such as food, air, water, clothing, and shelter. People also have strong needs for recreation, education, and entertainment. These needs become wants when they are directed to specific objects that might satisfy the needs. For example, need is water but want is cold drinks. Next is demands. Demands are wants for specific products backed by an ability to pay. Many people want a Mercedes. Only a few are able and willing to buy one. Companies must measure not only how many people want their product but also how many would actually be willing and able to buy it. As in the previous slide, I have already described about the needs. Now I am describing different types of needs with an example. First one is stated needs. The customer wants an inexpensive car. This is stated need. Next one is real needs. That the customer wants a car whose operating cost is low but not the initial cost. Next one is unstated need. That the customer expected good service from the dealer. That is unstated need. Next one is delayed needs. The customer would like to dealer to include an onboard GPS navigation system. This is delayed needs. And last is secret needs. That the customer wants friends to see him or her as a savvy customer. Likewise, a customer buys a Apple phone and his friend also a Apple customer. So those two customers are called savvy customer. Next topic is different types of demand in marketing. First one is negative demand, that consumers dislike the product and may even pay to avoid it, like hospitals and life insurance. Next is non-existent demand. This demand is arise when consumers may be unaware or uninterested in the product, like pager and typewriter. Next is latent demand. Consumer may share a strong need that cannot be satisfied by an existing product. That is called latent demand. Like in case of phone, that when there invents a smartphone, the basic phone or keypad phone is obsolete. So that is called latent demand. Next one is declining demand. Consumers begin to buy the product less frequency or not at all. That is called declining demand, like CD player and picture tube TV. Next is irregular demand. That consumer purchases the product vary on a seasonal, monthly, weekly, daily or even hourly basis, like firecracker, ice cream. Those are the irregular demand. Next is full demand, that consumers are adequately buying all the products put into the marketplace. That is called full demand. Like in any flash sale, the supply and demand is equal. Next is overfull demand, that more consumers would like to buy the product than can be satisfied. That are called overfull demand. That the demand is more than the supply, like electric energy. Next is unwholesome demand, that consumers may be attracted to products that have undesirable social consequences. Those are called unwholesome demand. For example, drug, cigarette. These are the demand of unwholesome demand. Next topic of today's video is different types of marketing concept. Under this, first one is the production concept. The production concept holds that consumers prefer products that are widely available and inexpensive. Managers of production oriented business concentrate on achieving high production efficiency, low cost, and mass distribution. Like in any FMCG sector, that are called production concept. Next one is the product concept. The product concept proposes that consumers favor product offering the most quality, performance, or innovative features. However, managers are sometimes caught in a love affair with their products. They believing a better product will by itself lead people to beat a path to their door. As major focus is the product quality, producers may fail to attract the customers whose demand is influenced by price, availability, etc. So, for example of product concept is Apple phone. Next one is the selling concept. The selling concept holds that consumers and businesses, if left alone, won't buy enough of the organization products. It is practiced most aggressively with unsought goods, goods that buyers don't normally think of buying, such as insurance and cemetery plots. And when firms with overcapacity aim to sell what they make rather than make what the market wants. So this type of concept is called selling concept in case of insurance and any cemetery plots. Next is the marketing concept. In marketing concept, the job is to find not the right customer for the products but the right products for the customers. The marketing concept holds that the key to achieving organizational goals is being more effective than competitors in creating, delivering, and communicating superior customer value to the target markets. That is called the marketing concept. Next is the holistic marketing concept. The holistic marketing concept is based on the development, design, and implementation of marketing programs, processes, and activities that recognize their breadth and interdependencies. The components of holistic marketing, relationship marketing, integrated marketing, internal marketing, and performance marketing. Next marketing concept is the societal marketing. Under this concept, well-being of the customer and society is the major concern. They must balance between company profits, customer satisfaction, and public interest. So these are the marketing concept. I request all of you that go through the difference between marketing and selling from the notes to clear your concept. Next topic of today's video is customer delivered value or customer value. It is basically the difference between total customer value and total customer cost. So what is total customer value? Total customer value is the bundle of benefits customer expect from a given product or service. It includes product value such as product quality, packaging, design, functions, service value like before sales service, during sales service, after sales service such as counseling, installation, delivery, personnel value as efficient salesperson use their salesmanship to overcome customer objections, and image value which is generated by ownership and use of reputed brand. So these all are total customer value. Next one is total customer cost. Total customer cost is the bundle of cost customer expects to incur in evaluating, obtaining, swing, and disposing of the product or service. It includes money cost, that is the price of the product, time cost, that is the time spent for searching, evaluating, buying, and other decision processes related to the product, energy cost, that is the degree of physical effort using by the customer for searching, evaluating, and buying desired product, and psychic cost, that is the cost related to frustration and dissatisfaction of the customer with the product and service. So these all are total customer cost. Next topic is customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is the important parameter to measure how efficiently the organization meets customer needs. Customer satisfaction can only be attained when there is good relationship of customer and supplier. So customer satisfaction mainly three types. If actual performance by the seller is less than the expected performance by the customer, then it is called dissatisfaction. If expected performance by the customer is equal to actual performance by the seller, it is called satisfaction. And if actual performance of by the seller is greater than the expected performance by the customer, then that is called delight satisfaction. So these are the mainly three type of satisfaction. So students, this is all about the today's topic that I want to discuss through this video. If you have any doubt or queries, let me know by comment here or on WhatsApp group. RP Education is always with you. So stay tuned with us. See you in the next video. Thank you.